Alright, let's make this William Russell inspired hind. I'm just bumping up the little transition points in my branches right here. And now I'm just building up a wedge in my hills to make the little hill calks. Set a little over the edge. Dragging down to get some height. Just pinching it up. Just taking a couple heats, kind of refine the heel calks. Now I'm working on the other side. Now I'm just hollowing out the toe. Get it nice and flat. Just really trying to make like a nice sharp transition there. And then clean it up out on the horn. Now I'm going to put my toe bend in. Just trying to get that toe shaped up nice. And then bend my branches. It's a little tricky with how thin the toe was to get a nice shape in this. Get my other branch bent around. Now I'm just going to run my fuller through the toe. It's a little tricky. It's a tight radius to fuller, but that's why I left the toe open a little bit. I'm just getting my shape refined. Just getting everything cleaned up a little bit. Punch my nail holes. Get it all brushed up. There you have it. William Russell inspired hind.